Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I already applied my peel off base coat to my nails, and now I'm just gonna be applying base coat to all of my nails, and then I cured in my Bellavina mini nail lamp. Next, I'm applying my full coverage nail tips using the A-press dupe method. So I placed the base coat in the nail tip, and then I applied it to my nails and cured in the mini nail lamp. Now that all of the nails are on, I'm just using my cuticle bit to clean up the cuticle area. Next, I'm just filing the nails into shape a bit. Then I buff the surface of the nails to remove the shine. Now this is the nail foil I'll be using today, so I'm just going to be separating them into smaller pieces, but most of them are already small, so I didn't have to do much. I'll be using double dip liquids and Revel nail nude dip powder and double dip clear dip powder. On the ring nail, I applied the double dip base liquid, which is actually top coat that I'm using as base liquid. Then I'm just gonna stick some of the nail foil on the nail. Every now and then I reapply some of the dip powder base liquid and continue sticking the foil, and this is the disadvantage of using dip powder base liquid instead of gel base coat to apply the foil. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing for the thumbnail. Then I encapsulated the foil nails with a few layers of clear dip powder. So I applied the dip powder base and then I poured the clear dip powder. Next, I applied activator after every layer of clear dip powder I applied. This eliminates the cloudiness and bubbles that may form in the nails. Always remember to wait a while before applying another layer of the clear dip powder after you have applied the activator, because if the activator gets into contact with the base brush, it hardens the brush. So I guess I wanted to continue doing these nails with only the powder liquids, so I just applied some gel base coat to my palette so it acts as an adhesive to pick up the foils to apply to my nails. Then I'm using the powder base liquid on the tips of the nails and then I apply the nail foils. Next, I encapsulated mainly the tip area of the nails. I also use activator as well. So I did one of the nails off camera just to be sure that I can actually do it, and it didn't look too bad, but it could have been better in my opinion. If you requested that I did this nail design a while ago, and I've been sitting on this video for about 2 months now, and I don't know why, but yeah, it took really long for me to upload it, but it's finally here on YouTube. So I'm using the nude and clear the powder and just doing the tap method ombre on the nails. My blend could have been better, a lot better, but it's not too bad. Then I apply some activator, which is optional. On the middle nail, I got a lot of the powder on the cuticle area because I wasn't paying attention while doing it. So I'm just using a nail file to remove some. Then I encapsulated the nails with 2 layers of clear dip powder and then applied a little more activator. Next, I went ahead and did the same thing on the index nail. Now I'm applying activator to the nails again, and then I went ahead to file the nails. So this is after filing, and I did file too much on the index nail, but pretend you don't see it. Now I'm top coating the nails with gel top coat because I don't like top coating my nails with the powder top coat. Then I cured for 30 seconds. I also top coated on the side of the nails as well and cured. So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think of this nail design. I think it came out really good, but I believe I could do way better. Maybe I will redo it in 6 months time, who knows. So anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye guys.